opportunity for the students.
The State Congress is yet to receive any fresh communication from the Office of the Assembly Speaker on the disqualification petitions it filed against the 3 of its MLAs. MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala said that the party is tired of the wait and has directed its legal team to move the court. Congress legislator Ronnie V. Lingdo had submitted 2 separate disqualification petitions to Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma against the 3 former party legislators who merged with the NPP.
See, the disqualification petitions is no more under my area because these have been taken over by AICC. AICC, they have a team in Delhi and they have a team here in MPCC also. Yesterday I told the team in Delhi and the team here also they should prepare and we should move to a appellate court because we cannot afford to be just like sometimes they delay this. This is a problem, this defect, that defect. So it shows the the sincerity and seriousness of the speaker.
The annual arrival of the Amur falcon